So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC, and then you want to take a note of the drive where you have Windows installed on. So for me it's my C drive, and I know it is because there's a Windows logo on it right here. So take a note of your drive letter name. It might be different to mine, but you're going to know which one it is because it's going to have the Windows logo on it. And now once you've done that, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in Chkdsk space, and then you want to put the drive letter name where you have Windows installed on. So for me it's going to be C, and then you want to put a colon, put another space, and then you want to put /F, and click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to type in Y, which means yes, click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And now as the computer is turning on again, it's going to say to skip this check-in, press any key. You do not want to press any key. Do not press any key, and you want to run this check-in. So if you don't press any key, it's going to start running. And then now once it's been completed, it's going to take you back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.